Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Valerie from MotoPress, and if you're just starting out with rentals or testing out the waters, this video is for you. Today we're checking out the MotoPress Booking Calendar Lite, a free tool to take hourly, daily, or nightly bookings. It's simple, it's visual, and it's built for all kinds of rentals. I'll show you how it works, what you can do, and what's included in the light version. And if you're curious about what the pro version adds, I'll give you a quick pick along the way. So let's dive in. So first, let's quickly install and activate the plugin. You can download it from the plugin directory, and then from your WP dashboard, go to Plugins, Add Plugin, then hit Upload Plugin at the top. Alternatively, you can just search for MotoPress Booking Calendar Lite right here, click Install, and then Activate. Once that's done, you'll see a new menu called Calendars, and it means you're ready to get started. Alright, now let's click Calendars, and I'll walk you through creating your first one. Click Add Calendar, and a pop-up window will open. Here you'll need to give your rental a name, that's your label. And if you're renting out more than one unit of the same item or space, make sure to check the box for multiple units. Next, pick your booking type. You can go with nightly, daily, or hourly. For this demo, I'm choosing nightly. And once that's set, click Continue. Now here is something important. Double check the date range you're working with. By default, it shows a month starting from today. But you can easily change it to cover the exact period you need. And once you've selected the right range, don't forget to hit Update to save it. Next up, let's add the units. Click the little pencil icon to open the variation settings. Here, give your rental a title. That's the name your clients will see. You can also upload a photo and write a short description if you want. Not required, but definitely useful. Then set the number of units you've got available for this variation. That's it. Now we're gonna use Bulk Edit. This tool lets you update availability for all units in one go. Super handy since you're doing it all from a single screen. Just pick the days of the week, choose the units, and set whether they're available or not on those days. And of course, you can set your price here too. Once you're done, click Save, and then close the panel. Alright, let's add one more variation. And after you click Save, you can either use the pencil icon again to add units, or just hit the plus icon right here. This time I'll use the plus icon. And as you can see, adding more units is super quick and easy, whichever way you go. For example, right now I'm showing you how you can easily set different prices depending on the day of the week. When it comes to currency, you'll find the main setting in the plugin's global options. And just so you know, you can actually use a different currency for each calendar. I'll show you how to set that up a bit later in the video. And if you ever need to make changes right now or later, like updating availability, price, or booking status, you can do it right in the calendar. Just click on the cells you want to adjust. So it's quick and visual, all in one place. For daily bookings, I've already set up a calendar out of view. The interface works exactly the same, so I won't go over it again here. But if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Now let's move on to hourly bookings. You'll notice I've already set up some variations here to save us a bit of time. The setup process is just as easy as before, but this time you're working with time slots. To add a time slot, just click the plus icon. Then pick your start and end time. After that, decide if it repeats. It can be a one-time slot daily, every weekday, weekly, or monthly. You can create as many different time slots as your business needs. Time slots can even overlap or stretch from one day into the next. That's all possible with this plugin. You can add as many time slots as you want. When you're done, click Bulk Edit. Again, you'll need to select the days you want to work with. You can work with each time slot individually or handle them all at once. When the price doesn't differ based on the day or time slot, it's easier than ever. You just pick all the days, set the unit or units to available, and click Copy to all time slots. Sure, when the price depends on the day of the week or duration of the time slot, the workflow differs. Now that all your calendars are set up, it's time to take care of the form. On the front end, it all works together. The calendar and the form go hand in hand. That's the formula. And if you haven't created a form yet, you'll see an Add New Form link inside each calendar. That means you can build a unique form for every calendar if you need to. Or you can keep things simple and have all your calendars share one general form. That works too. When you open the form editor, you'll see it's organized into three main parts. On the left side, there is a panel with all the available blocks, and these are your form fields. And you can simply drag and drop them into the Common Fields section or directly into a specific variation. That way, they only show up when a client picks that option. Over on the right, you've got the form settings. This is where you can set a different currency just for this particular form, so no need to stick to the global one. And this is also where you can set up your notifications. For example, in the Common Field section, I'll add a country field and then a checkbox field. A quick note, the price adjustment setting and the price adjustment field are locked in the light version, and you'll need to upgrade to unlock those. But honestly, you can still use these fields in plenty of ways, even without linking them to pricing. Just add what fits your business and shape the form around your needs. Alright, that's it for the common fields. Now let's move on to specific variations. These only show up when someone picks a certain rental option. For example, I'm going to add a number field. But really, you can use it for whatever you need. Guests, adults, kids, just change the label to match. In my case, I'll stick with guests. Then you can set a starting value and define the minimum and maximum, whatever fits your rental logic. I'm adding this same field to the second variation, just with different values this time, but you're not limited to that. You can use completely different fields for each variation if it makes more sense for your setup. When you're happy with the setup, simply click Create and you're good to go. Alright, now I'll show you how to set up notifications, and we can do that right from here. Click Add Notification and your form will already be pre-selected. Then choose a template from the drop-down, either new booking or cancel booking for the admin or the customer. And once you've picked the one you need, give it a title and click Publish. Now you can customize the email using any of the available tags. Quick tip: if you want your form tags to look cleaner, just edit the HTML name in the block settings of that field. That way they show up with neater labels. Alright, off camera I've finished creating 2 more forms, one for each of my calendars. It means we can make a test booking. As the admin, you can easily check all your bookings right in your WordPress dashboard. Just open the calendar you need. You can also go to the Bookings menu to see a full list of reservations. To view full details or update the status, click on any booking you need. And that's a wrap. With the light version, you can set up calendars, add your rental units, customize the form, and manage bookings all for free. And it's a great place to start small and see how it fits your workflow. And when you're ready to unlock more, like price adjustments, payment gateways, the Pro version is ready when you are. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and reviews, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.